Hello everyone, welcome back to Flame-Fed Homestead. My name is Brandon. Today we're going to make egg bake, perfect for breakfast, or as we're going to have it tonight, dinner. Who doesn't love breakfast for dinner? Let's get started. Okay, we'll get started. This has to be one of the easiest egg bakes or breakfast casseroles that I've ever seen. I believe my wife found it on Pinterest. In any case, we start with 4 eggs. We only had 5 left in the package, so I did 5. We're going to whisk that together. We'll add 2 cups of milk. I'm sure you could dress this up with peppers, onions, mushrooms, as much as you want. If I have any chance of getting my kids to eat it, we won't put any of that in there. Okay, then we're going on the smoker, obviously. We'll take a foil pan with 1 pound of your favorite breakfast sausage. This is Jimmy Dean Sage. That's what we use in our house. It's our favorite. So we'll pour the eggs over the top of that. Two cups of cheese. All right. From there, we will add potatoes. All right, we're gonna top this with some potatoes. The recipe calls for 2 pounds of tater tots. Today, we're gonna try a little something different. We're doing a little clearinghouse in the freezer. So we have some tater rounds. We have some crinkle fries, we have some what looks to be mini tater tots, and some golden French fried potatoes. So we're going to cover this until it's completely covered with a variety of potatoes, and we're going to see how it comes out. My wife is gonna hate this. She likes to stack the tater tots all nice and pretty. I'm not doing that today.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head.
Now we'll go get it on the grill. There we go. Grill's up to 225. Check on that in 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes in. Looking good, but it's not done. We'll close it back up. Set it to 375. We'll check on it in another 30 minutes. Time to see how it's coming. Nice and bubbly, crispy. I think we're just about done. It smells delicious. Let's dig in. I don't know if this is done. Okay, now it's done. Wasn't quite done before. So let's get a slice out. Time for a little taste test. Eggy and delicious. Thank you for watching today. We'll see you next time.